So I've got this controller working now with Windows. It's sending X and Y and a button click via the Arduino Leonardo microcontroller here, and with some Arduino code which I will be posting. It's pretty straightforward code. There's a Joystick library out there already which I'm using that handles all this stuff. Right now it's plugged directly into the computer, so it's acting like any other game controller you'd plug into the computer. When I unplug it, I can take the same joystick and plug it into the Xbox controller. The Xbox, this is the accessibility controller. Now, this joystick does not act as an independent joystick, but it acts as part of this controller. So now I've got left stick available for this setup. I'll create another one of these for right stick, and then I'll start wiring up all the buttons, which instead of USB are the 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter phone jacks, the mono jacks. So at this point, and this works, I'm testing it through that HTML5 gamepad. It's passing values through fine. The computer thinks that this is the only device hooked to it. This device is smart enough that it reads this joystick. So now I know that I can have my own custom joysticks, which is great. I'm going to test it with these little tiny PS2 ones, but eventually these will be much larger joysticks or other analog inputs for folks who don't have a wide range of motion. So making real good progress with that. I need to print out another one of those, make another one of those so that I have left and right. And then I'm going to start doing the 18 many buttons